Hello friends, welcome to Civics Tech. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make black and white images in preview, or you can say grayscale. So first things first, open Finder, open the image, and here is your image in preview. So you want to make it black and white. You click on tools on the top bar and click on adjust color. So over here you have the saturation tab. I can make it black and white. But for example, you don't want it to be black and white, you want to make it bright. So you just raise it to the end like this. It's super bright. So once I have made it black and white and I close this place. So you want to make it back to normal. So click on adjust color again and over here click on reset all and it's good as new. Thank you friends. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Meet you in my next video. Bye.